Hey guys, it's amazing how beautiful the earth is. My name is Neel Chandwani, and we have something very important to talk about. Did you know Earth's resources are not unlimited? If we use them faster than they can be replaced, Earth will end up being a dry and desolate place. The Earth's population is now over 7 billion, and human activities are drastically depleting the resources. So we must fix this. Before we can do that, let's talk about what natural resources are. There are two types of natural resources: renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable means that they can be replaced through natural processes. Non-renewable resources are resources that if we use them too much, they will cease to exist. Examples of renewable resources are air, soil, sunlight, fresh water, trees, and animals. Examples of non-renewable resources are minerals, metals, and fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas. Fossil fuels are a major cause of the pollution on Earth. We are using these natural resources 2 to 3 times more than we should. What are we doing to cause all this damage to Earth? We are cutting down forests to make roads, homes, and industries. There are poor farming techniques in use. We are using way too many fossil fuels. And we are using way too much paper, plastic, metal, and glass. What do we do to fix this? Conserve! There are 4 ways to conserve. Reduce the use of resources such as fossil fuels. We can use more mass public transportation, such as carpools and bicycles, instead of cars and trucks. Use solar or wind power energy rather than fossil fuels that run energy. Reuse resources and use less paper and plastic products. Recycle metal, glass, plastic, and paper so material can be used again and again as another item. Protect our resources, such as forests and animals, to prevent complete loss of that resource. Preserving our planet must be everyone's main passion and priority. We must ensure that our generation and future generations get to enjoy the vast resources that Earth has to offer.
Neel, dinner is ready.
So go, educate, and make people aware. Reduce, reuse, recycle, and protect.